Welcome back. This video will discuss how to use the new standards features in TeacherAid. Go to the settings screen by tapping on the option from the top right of the action bar. Then select standards. And you have up to 5 standards that you can enter here. So I'll choose the first one. Give it a title. Since I'm a chemistry teacher, I will choose chemistry. And then what you can do is use the plus button here to add a main category. I'll just call this category A. And under this category, we can add subcategories. So tap on the More option, which is the 3 dots to the right, and say Add a subcategory. And I'll put Sub A1. And you can add another one underneath there. So I'll do the same thing again and say Sub A2. And let's add one more category, category B. And I'll add subcategories to those as well. And we'll say sub B1. Oh, sorry. And then go back to the More option, add a subcategory, sub B2. So you can continue to add categories there with their subcategories for the standards. And then once you're done, tap on the back arrow and go back out. And we're going to go to the class settings option, so you can tap the settings icon below where it says week 1. Another way you can edit a class option is to long press a class name. So I can also long press class 1. We'll go over here and you'll see below the class name you have an option of standards. So it's set to standards 1. You can tap that and see how you can choose one of the 5 or none either way. So I'll leave it on standards 1. And now if I tap on the data screen for class 1 on Monday the 26th, what comes up here is the standards. I can now tap the More option to the right, and you'll see category A and B show up. I'll tap A and choose subcategory A1, and right away I have the standards set there. So it's a very easy way to associate a standard with a class, and then you can select them there. You can also add your lesson notes now, and then any web links you want. So I could just write notes there, save. And on the main screen, the notes show up, but if I look on the day view or the class view, here I'll do the day view, you'll see that both your standard and your lesson notes will show up on the other views. Alright, so hopefully that's an easy way for you to add standards to your lessons. And feel free to email me if you want me to include some of the standards in the default options for the app here. As you can see real quickly, if I go back to standards, I'll load up a new one. Under the load button here, I have an option for you to email me some suggestions, and I've added physical science for high school, and right away they appear. So I'm very happy to add any other standards that people feel would be useful and are used throughout your country or through your state. Alright, enjoy. Thank you.